you can, because it does get very wiggly and twisted and everything. So find where it comes out, and it will probably be bent like this. What you want to do, just like ribbon that frays, you're going to take a piece of tape. Don't make the tape too thick, just enough to hold it once around, maybe once and a half around. Just masking tape. Cut it off so that there's tape on both ends, and leave maybe about 1/4 of an inch on the tail that you're going to use. Okay? Now, you take your fabric strip.
Which are a certain size width?
Approximately 3/4 of an inch. If you have some that are cut an inch or a 1/2 inch, by all means you can use them. And they don't have to be exactly right on. Okay, the tools that you need is your cording. You're going to need some tape, a glue stick, and a clothespin. And we're going to start, yeah, high tech. Real expensive stuff, so, you know, start saving your money. What I do is I throw it on the floor. I put my foot on it, so that way I have something to pull against, okay? You're going to take your fabric. I use my ironing board a lot as a work surface, so I usually iron a piece of freezer paper to my board, especially if I'm using fusible or glue or anything like this. Pull it up. If it doesn't come up readily, iron it again to warm it and pull it off a little at a time, and it keeps your surface clean. Just a few little dabs of glue on your end. I'm sorry?
You just put glue on the end.
I'm just putting glue on the end, the beginning end and the ending end, okay? I wrap, and you want it on an angle, okay? Wait, no, I'm getting ahead of myself. Wait a minute, hold on. To start your very first piece, put the strip with the long tail toward you in your right hand. You want to take and lay this halfway across the width.
Could you move that? Yeah, thank you.
Okay, halfway across the width.
I see.
And you're going to take and roll it a couple of times. Now, you're going to have this little loose piece right here, and that's what you want. You don't want the cording to come all the way, because that's your very center, and we want something to fill in that little hole in the center. And then you start wrapping. I step on it, I pull on it, and I wrap to me and throw it over. Hold it with your left hand. Over. You want to cover the previous wrap, not quite halfway. You don't want to see any of the cording. You do want it completely covered. And I wrap. And kind of walk your left hand down as you go. I find it easier because I can pull on it taut and flip it over and pull this way. And this is the major part of the project. Just like this. When you get down to the other end, put a little dab of glue and set it. Take a new piece, start at the front end with a little glue, cover what's already there, and keep going. Okay? We're going to do that, maybe 6 or 8 feet of that on your cord, and then we'll come back and do the next step.